Storytelling is the most powerful way of getting ideas into the world today. These are the famous words of a person called Robert McKee. Hi, good evening. I'm Anjali Sangvi, and I'm going to share some very personal perspectives on storytelling. Storytelling is a very lovable relationship between the storyteller, the story, and the audience. It is a dynamic medium, it is alive, it has orality and it has ethnography. Orality means that we have to vocalize the story, and ethnography means that it is from all cultures of the world. Storytelling has been found that the listeners and the learners, they have terrific retention power, 55% more than when we learn from writing on the board. So the learners, they absorb, they synthesize, they analyze, and they fix it in their psyches, the concepts that they're supposed to grab. Now there's several genres of stories. We have all grown up on the masala stories of Bollywood. When we remember a story called Mughal Azam, there was Emperor Akbar, and he was screaming at his son, and he says, Salim, तुम अनारकली से शादी नहीं करोगे. And we love that moment. And then we have the legend of Hanuman, his dedication, his devotion to his Lord Ram. And these are the heroes of history. We have Maharani Padmavati from Chittor and how Alauddin Khilji fell in love with her. And we had a picturization called Padmavat where Alauddin Khilji is dancing and he says, Kali bali ho gaya hai dil. And so on. We have a treasure trove of stories from India. We have the Mahabharata, the Panchatantra, the Ramayana, the Veds, and the Upanishads. And in every culture in the world, there are stories which have come to us from times immemorial. We have a genre of stories called fairy tales, in which Little Red Riding Hood, there is a moral for children to learn. It says the wolf is real. There are real dangers in the world. We should always listen to our parents. We should never stray off the beaten path. We should not go towards the big bad wolf, and we should know that good triumphs over evil. We have fables. Now, in the court of Louis XIV of France, there was a fable writer, and his name was Jean de La Fontaine. In 1668, he wrote fables. I'm sure all of you will wonder that don't we have fables in India? We are so fond of the stories of Mullah Nasruddin. But the fables of Jean de La Fontaine, they were archetypal, which means that they had universal truths which exist to this day. He used animals as his protagonists, and when we write stories with animals and we give them human forms, those stories are known as anthropomorphism. Wow, isn't that a tongue twister? There is another form, a genre of stories called frame stories. These are called umbrella stories, and they have little stories inside them. So 5,000 years ago in Arabia, there was Princess Sherazade, and she was going to get married to a very wicked sultan, and he was so wicked that he would marry one day, and the next day he would cut off the head of his bride. So what she did, she started telling him stories from the first night. The whole night she would regale him with stories, and the last story in the morning, it ended with a cliffhanger. Cliffhanger means that the story, we are dying to know what's the end, but she would not reveal it. The Sultan had to go for his duties, so he was restless. He would come back the next night and he would listen to another whole night of stories. So for 1001 nights, she narrated stories to her husband, and he transformed into a wonderful human being. He did not kill anymore, and he became her slave, so to speak. We also have stories which tell us the skill of the storyteller. The storyteller should know how to enact different characters in his story. He should know picturization, political era and time, beliefs of the people in those days, costumes. So he has so many tools to his credit. He can use jewelry, weaponry, costumes, of course. He can use different techniques of storytelling, of teaching, like synchronous learning, asynchronous learning, kinesthetics, visualization. And finally, your own story is a magic story. Everyone has that miracle and the wow moment in your lives when life transforms. Zip, zap, zoom, crackle, sizzle. So when you tell your magic story of your own life, use a magic spell. So fee, fi, fum, fo. I wish I could ride a rainbow. I'll ride a rainbow higher than high. I'll fly like a kite into the sky. So, my friends, say your story with everyone. Tell your tales and enjoy listening, enjoy sharing. Thank you for a very patient listening.
productioncode.com